The Customer Services portal is a great way to view and manage your upcoming on-site activities. On the homepage, you can easily see all scheduled visits for all products that are assigned to you. The same calendar view is also available per specific location, account, or installed product. Click on the Go to Calendar button or choose Calendar from the top menu bar to view the full version of the calendar. The color coding in the calendar tells you the type and nature of each activity. If you click on an entry in the calendar, further details appear on the screen. You can see relevant information about the scheduled actions, such as the installed product affected, case details, and the date, time, and scheduled duration of the visit. The calendar allows you to see the visits per month. This is the default view. Day, week, list week, or list year. You can filter via scheduled status and select tentative and/or confirmed visits. Tentative visits are those we've penciled in but haven't yet received your confirmation for. Another feature allows you to export confirmed visits to your own calendar. Select dates and click the Export button. Please note that you can only export confirmed visits and that the exported details will not be synchronized with any possible future changes made to the appointments. With the Customer Services portal, we are always there, always on, 24/7.